Hi, I'm Mariana. This is my nutrition channel. I'm a single mom of 3 boys and I work full time. So I'm here to help all the parents out there figure out how to cook or make do when you and your children have allergies to certain food items. Lots of working families rely on takeout or fast food, and my family just can't. We are allergic to gluten, soy, corn, and dairy. So most of what we eat is basically summarized by calling it a paleo diet. Here's one example of what I had for a dinner for a night. What kind of food are we having today, Jakey?
We are having tacos, and we actually have had a tea for a drink.
This is
so
called
good.
You remember what kind of tea this is called?
Green tea.
It's actually called nettle tea.
Nettle tea.
Yep. Do you remember what kind of taco shells these are?
Oh yeah, these are crunchy taco shells.
Made by who?
Mom.
Siete taco shells.
Siete taco.
Can you get that box for me?
Oh, okay, I will. I almost forgot about the box, but I don't know where the box is. Oh, there it is. Found it.
The meat is turkey and beef, organic and farm-raised, grain-free fed, and Siete grain-free taco shells.
They're really good.
And if you have a little bit of taco left, you can put some meat on it and you can eat it.
Mmm.
And it's really good when you do that because you get some meat and also you hear the crunch, which is a little satisfying.
Yep. Nice job, Lucas. So, total dinner prep time tonight took about 15 minutes. That includes warming up the taco shells in the toaster oven or in your regular oven, browning the beef and turkey together, and mixing in the spices. You can add whatever sides that you'd like, depending on what allergies you guys might have, or if it's just, by choice. I like to add in some chopped tomatoes sometimes. The children can still have rice, but I can't, so sometimes I'll just make it a little different and put it over the rice. I put mine over pasta every now and then, just to mix it up a little bit. I also use jovial cassava pasta for those of you who are also grain-free and would like to enjoy some type of pasta and healthy-ish kind of carbs. So I will include my recipe for what I used tonight in the comments below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.